Hello everyone, I am Professor J.B. Davre from Prekewag Institute of Engineering Education and Research Nasik. Today we will try to learn group discussion, that is experiment number 4 for our soft skill. So starting with the group discussion, what is a group discussion? First of all, group is a collection of individuals who have regular contact or frequently interaction and who work together to achieve certain goal. That is a group. Group means what? Basically more than two people get together, that is nothing but the group. And discussion is the process whereby two or more people exchanges information or idea in face-to-face situation to achieve some goal. That is a group and discussion. Fine. Now what is the importance of group discussion? So combinedly it is a group and discussion, right? As you can see in the picture, there are five people are sitting and they are having some discussion. So group discussion, and it's important. Popular methodology used by companies to hire employees. Nowadays it has been made compulsory by many companies. Improve communication skill. Yes, it is a very important point. Confidence in public speaking, it is very important. Again, it helps to assess how by a participant perform under different situation in a group. Suppose you want to hire employees, so you can judge in a group discussion how the person who is giving group discussion, who is performing the activity, how his body language and how he can cope up with the changing environment. Team spirit, elevate leadership skill. Yes, in the group discussion, one person is a leader and you can evaluate his leadership. Improve problem solving skills. So these are the some basic importance of the group discussion. One must understand there is a difference between debate and group discussion. Group discussion is an agreement wherein you have to prove your point right and add weightage through data, fact and statistics. This is actually the group discussion, and the main critical difference one can say about group discussion and the debate is that the debate is there is a set of topic around which your statement should resolve, whereas in a group discussion the agreement may be take different flow and can lead to another view or thoughts in between. So basically in debate there are two groups basically. One group is maybe against some topic and other group may be giving positive points. But in group discussion, you can have positive point, you can have negative point, all combined together. That is actually the group discussion. How GD or group discussion is conducted? Generally, there are around 7 to 12 people combined together. Then more than 2 people are also have a group discussion. But normally for the interview, or if you see many companies, generally 5, 7, 10 around people are there. And the group of the candidate is given a topic. Group of the candidate is a given topic. It is I am talking about some interviews and some situation is given, some time is given, then they are asked to speak about that topic for 10 to 15 minutes. Some panelists or one can say supervisors are appointed, monitors are appointed. They are closely looking the activities. So that's how you can, and at the end on the basis of their ability to speak and their group discussion, the marks or performance can be evaluated. Why GD? As I already told, it is very important for hiring the job. It can you can come to know about the particular properties, good characteristics of the particular person. So that's why group discussion is very important. Why do students fail to perform in group discussion? As this video is more related to the second year engineering student, so first of all that's why I have added this PPT. Why student fail? The main reasons are like they have some fears, they afraid to speak in public, lack of knowledge. Yes, if you have lack of knowledge, if you have good knowledge, then you can speak well, but if you have lack of knowledge, then it is very difficult to speak. No proper command on language. Yes, this is actually the most important thing. You need to have good communication, proper command on the language. So before going to GD students, you must you have the latest information, news, trading, topics of the market. Make a habit of reading newspaper, books, magazines, so that detailed information can be updated. The simple way, I think, if you watch something on YouTube or anywhere, you will remember a lot. So try to be in touch with the latest update. You can watch by using the YouTube on your mobile phone also. And when you will be ready for the group discussion, what you can do, you can try to speak himself in front of mirror when you are alone at the home. So before going to GD, so that will make you to understand your body language, because you can see your face. So it will it really helps a lot. So these are different, I think, good tips when you are ready for the group discussion. How to gain positive points. So if you are giving GD, if you are a participant, then how you should gain the positive point. If you start with your with the introduction of yourself and the brief note of topic, that is actually always a positive point. Then make sure that you are starting the topic with a positive notes. Generally people may start with the negative note, but if you have started with the positive note, that is again a good point. Discuss pros and cons of the topic and how to overcome them. Yes, make everyone speak. If you are a participant, so you can pass the information, and you may ask other people to think and speak on it. That will be good positive point. Support other point. Yes, you have to support other point. If you are still disagree, then you have to put your point properly. So that is very important. If the group members are deviating from the topic, it is your responsibility to bring them back. So as a leader, it has become mandatory, or it's a responsibility of a group leader to bring them to the original point. So try to be a leader. So that will be the good thing. Few tips. Grooming appearance. You have to be neat and well. You need to be very good listener and supportive. There is a habit with the people that they are few not good listener. Very few people you find they are very good listener. Most of the people like to speak, but it is a very good quality. If you are a good listener, then it's a good quality. So try to be a good listener. Speak loudly and clearly. Try to be first and the last speaker of the discussion. Why? Because at the first you have to give detailed introduction, and at the last you have to give the conclusion. So if you do that, that will have more impact. Be confident while speaking. Yes, this is again a good point. So thank you. I think you will get most of the thing for the group discussion, right? As a second year level, I tried my best to complete most of the point. So assignment for you people is you have to do group discussion on globalization and Indian education system. So when we will meet, I think we will take this group discussion activity. So thank you very much.